Amacingwane phakathi akagugi guga abafocus shuko njalo ngulunga siyabingelela lapha siyabonga Macingwane ngicabanga ukuthi awukho umbuzo ongawubuzwanga futhi sizogcina siphinda into eziningi kube ngathi asiphilile kahle emakhanda kodwa ke kukhona indawo engifuna sike siyibuke ebaluleke kakhulu kuthina ama South Africans engicabanga ukuthi isimilo sibaluleke kakhulu nobuntu uyabona nje mangikubiza nje ngithi phakade elingagugi ngithi uphakade akagugi guga abafocus uchaza ukuthi thina abantu siyayiqhenya ngezibongo zethu uma kungavela nje iqhushu insizwa yakwaZulu lapha ebizwa ukuthi umageba you know a character you expect from that person u expect umuntu oshayayo nenkani ngenxa yokuthi sibonge sibuya koShaka Zulu built by a character yoZulu Macingwane ke waziwa ngeNcwasman thiwa iNcwasman bayayithanda abantu bamaCingwane bayayithanda impela futhi baqonda ngqo ngakwenzela example ngomunye wakini ungizwe emkhulu vela ibeke nje injalo akathukani ngicangizama ukuchaza ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu isibongo uSC okwakubuza ukuthi wenzani mhla ungena ehlalweni sobuminister into oqala wayenza ekubuza ngendlela ukuthi did you even go celebrate or what was the feeling you had angikukhumbuza ukuthi wahamba wayobona amakhosi asemachunini if uyakhumbula washo wena ukuthi ayakweseka kulolu hambo ozolithatha now I want to know ukuthi kuwena mhlonishwa kule mibuzo sobuziwe ngifuna sibheke nje lento ebalekile engicabanga ukuthi ngathi iyona elahlekile la eSouth Africa kakhulukazi apha esiphoyiseni isimilo nonembeza uma ubuka isibongo sakuMacingwane singena iqhashaza elokuthi babukeke njengabantu abanganalo iqiniso ngenxa yakho ngishiso lokho ukuthi eSouth Africa yonke wena no General Sibiya enazi ukuthi immediate hlusha ukuthi slow or later nina nobabili futhi nihamba nobabili kuleyo nto leyo akuphathi kabini ukuthi isibongo soMacingwane mhlambe kusukela namhlanje njengomuntu omkhulu kangaka uyosifaka ohlazweni mhlambe sigcine sisinalo lochashaza ukuthi hey labantu laba banamampunga baphika into ebhaliwe ibhasi elibhaliwe aliphike nje
ngicabanga ukuthi kulolo daba selixoxiwe lwafinyelela ekugcineni kodwa ke senginga-eda nje ukuthi anything noma yini ehlukumeza isibongo sasemachuneni noma ngabe yini iqhama ngayiphi indlela njengoba noma yini ehlukumeza abantu besinye isibongo ingabaphatha kabi so noma yini eqhamukayo engaphatha kabi isibongo sasemachuneni ingiphatha kabi or ingangiphatha kabi noma ngabe yini
so ngaloko ke mphathi wami ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ungalithatha lethuba ulisebenzisa ukuthi usho ukuthi cha lokuthi ngiqinisa ikhanda ngithi immediately uminisha lokho engaminishi lokho for the sake of isibongo sabantu bakithi angihloniphise ngijike leyo mpendulo ucabanga mhlawumbe lokho
cha angikucabanga
hayi ngikunikele lelo thuba mphathi wami how confident are you kuma skills and competency wakababa uGeneral uSibiya ngikubuza lokho ngoba in his competency report specifically page 8 and 9 it says he failed in his words it was not positive
ikhona ichashaza okulibekayo uze kube sengathi ungathi he passed, and any other person at that level, you would want to say pass. That's what you would want to hear whenever such things are spoken about. Kodwa mawusuza ukuthi kwaba khona into enjalo, iba khona into ethi then what happened. Kodwa ke kuya ngokuthi yayinamandla angakanani leyo nto ukumnika noma ungamnika umsebenzi, nokuthi kuya ngokuthi izinto ezazikhona lapho zazi namandla kangakanani phezu kwalokho, ngoba mhlambe kwakuyi out of 10.
I-confidence yakho kuyena ubaba uGeneral Sibiya ime kanjani since usuzwile ukuthi hayi azange be positive?
Umuntu ongaphendula ngo kanjalo supervisor wakhe uGeneral Masimula. Mina ngakhuluma ngeka General Masimula, umuntu engisebenza naye eduze, kodwa hayi ko Deputy General, so go Deputy Commissioner. Abangeni kulolu hlalo ukuthi whether or not nginayo confidence, ngoba abasupervisor yimina, abasupervisor National Commission.
Mhlawumbe nalombuzo engizokubuza wona ngangiphendula kodwa ngangiphendula, but ngiyacela uzame. 2016 iDA no Mr Herman Mashaba, they claim ukuthi ba appoint Mr Sibiya. Do you have any idea ukuthi why they concealed to the South Africans, or from the South Africans, ukuthi they hired a person who doesn't meet the competency requirements?
Inkinga nje ukuthi esengeke ngikuzwa ngabanye abantu nanjengoba kuna le commission, kodwa abantu abazi kahle, abantu ababekhona ngesikhathi eqashwa, ukuthi bazi kwakukhonani, babhekane bathini ngalokho. Uma kwakukhona ibona bangakhuluma, babe inkulumo yabo ibe nesiqi. Mina ngifika nje usengaphakathi uSibiya.
Mhlawumbe wena if bekuwena obuhleli lapha kulesahlalo bongamthatha engaphasanga icompetence?
Umbuzo wakho uyawubuza kuya ngokuthi vele yini ezokwenza ukuthi umuntu aqasheke noma angaqasheki. Uma kuwukuthi lokho kumele njengomgomo ukuthi kuyamphasisa noma kumphasisi, ngeke ukuthi engayiphasanga ubuso uyamthatha, kodwa kuyiyo futhi into emile ekutheni uyadlula noma kadlula. So ngeke ngazi ukuthi le competency test okukhulunywa ngayo iyayimi kuphi ezintweni zonke ezazikhona.
Mhlawumbe njengomphathi phela ngenzela ukufunda nami ngizoba uminister ngelinye ilanga. Ucabanga ukuthi kulesi sihlalo esingaka noma kulezi ayitholile sidinga ukuthi umuntu icompetence yakhe ibe nayo mhlambe ngabe 100%, or ngamthatha ngo98, ngamthatha ngo20, or ngamthatha
generally ngokwe procedure noma ngokwenqubo. Umuntu mayese interviewile kusho ukuthi wayiface panel yamnikeza amamaki na yonke into nokuthi angaconsider ukuthi athathwe ilabo ofanele bamthathe, baye bamuse competency test. Kusese kuyobhekwa ama-skills athize. Uma-ke ibuya ibisihlanganiswa nokuthi kuthathwe-ke isinqumo esiphelele ukuthi kwenzekani ngaye. Manje yikho nje ngithi angazi kahle ngoba ngangingekho ngesikhathi kwenziwa konke lokhu, ukuthi yathi uma ibuya i-competency test inalokho bakufaka kusiphi isikali, babona ukuthi kuyamvimba noma kuyamdlulisa, base bethatha leso sinqumo. Kodwa ngokwenqubo nje kuqhutshwa kanjalo ukuthi after interview then competency test, and then emva kwalokho ke bese yabuya ke ezoconsider ke lo qondene ukuthi uyamthatha noma kamthatha nokuthi unamba bani kulaba abanye kade be-interviewer kuyaye kusetshenziswa kanjalo.
Mhlawumbe ukuze ngiyithole impendulo Mhlonishwa angiyilungise la. Owakho umbuzo kuwe lo owuphendulayo uthi kwenziwa kanjani ukuze umuntu adlule emva kwe-interviews angene ku-competency bese kwenziwani. Owakho ke lo mbuzo oyibuze wena. Nawo kowami ngicela ukuyilungisa and gcina wesikhathi ungilungisela ungadli isikhathi sami ngombuzo ka minister. Owami uthi if wena bokulesi simo salabantu abahleli ngale ubuzomqasha yini competence ingaphelelanga yini?
Uma ngabe i-competence inogcopho nani kuukuthi futhi lokho ikhona okumesangweni ukuthi uyadlula noma adlula. Uma kuthi akadluli ngenxa lokho so bengeke. Kodwa uma kuukuthi uhlelo lwabo ukuthi cha lo muntu engaphasanga kodwa ke uyathathwa kuukuthi indlela abahlele ngayo ukuthi kuqashwana kanjani lapho kusho ukuthi ungamthatha ke uma ngabe kuukuthi akubalekile ukuthi uyayiphasa noma akayiphasi i-competency test. Nanokuthi uma usukuhlanganisa namamake wonke oku-interviewer ubhekisisa futhi nabanye uzokwazi nokumthatha noma uzumthatha kodwa kuye kube kuhle ukuthi nje kuphaseke konke. Akuyona into straightforward ukuthi you fail i-competence then ngoba angazi noma i-competence noma i-aspect yayo or sangikhuluma nje ngikuzohlwini kancane oswini kancane.
Mhlawumbe angazi noma ngichaze kanjani minister. Ubuye wena uyibuze yakhe imibuzo bese uyayiphendula ungayi kulo buzo wemini. Ngake ngaba u-exam ama learners license. I-learners uyayiphasa or uyayifail. Uyabona ukuthi ubuze umuntu athi ngifeyile nga1 ngifeyile kanti it's a pass or fail. So i-competence njalo i-pass ne-fail. In this regard, if you were sitting in that position ubuzomthatha ubengumthatha epass i-competence or efailile.
Manje kulukhuni ukuthi ngiphendule ngendlela ofuna ngayo ngoba usubuzile wona oqeda manje mase ngiphendula mina ofuna ukungalusa.
Cha bese ngilungisa ngixolise mphathi wami
bese ngakwazi ukuphendula.
Yenzela ukuthi
ngithi
ngiyaphendula lo ubuzwe mina.
Ngiyaphendula nje kahle ngithi i-competence test abanye abantu baye bethi nomuntu efailile kodwa athathwe kuye ngokuthi i-criteria yabo lo kwenza ukuthi umuntu athathwe ukufeyila nokuphasa kuyingxenye into lokho. Abanye bathi ayi uyifeyilile i-competence kodwa ile ngxenye ye-competence test so singamthatha or ayi ufeyile le ngxenye ye-competence strong kakhulu ngeke aze athatheke. Or abanye bethi ayi babona ukuthi anga-improve something like that. So kuye kube khona izinto akubi straight ukuthi fail i-competence then or pass i-competence. Angayiphasa futhi i-competence uthola ukuthi ngapha ku-interview ayikhona khambanga kahle then awusamthathi ke njalo kodwa enze kahle ngale competence. So akuyona into straightforward as far as I know.